today is just gonna be a little solo date for myself, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head out now. Today I'm just gonna do a little little hangout vlog, like self-care, little day. So a thing about me is that I'm by myself like 80%, and the 20% I'm around with people, so I'm gonna enjoy that. But today is just a little hangout vlog, a little self-care vlog like I like to do in my evening. But yeah. Hey guys, so I don't have any activities to do, so I'm gonna go to Daiso to buy some. I literally forgot to bring an activity, so I just bought it. Hey guys, so I generally do not know what to eat, so I'm just walking around to see what I'm craving. I didn't know what to eat, so I came back sitting back down and think what to eat. Okay guys, I just finished eating. I'm super full now, so we're gonna go thrifting. Hey guys, so I'm heading home right now, and I'll give you guys a haul what I got from the thrift store. Hi guys, so today's the haul. Of all the thrifting I went, I got 3 tops for $3, guys. I got it for $3. That's the deal, guys. And the first thing I got was, it captured my eye. The laces, like, look at that. Isn't that cute? I love this type of color, and I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Okay guys, this is the details. Like, this is a full fit. Next top is this. Like, I love the laces on top of here, and it suits me so well. And I'll give you guys a haul. Okay guys, this is what it looks like, and I like the top here, the very top here. So Next is this black blouse. What got me was this little thing here, and I did try it on, and I was trying to see if it fit my arm because that's what I was concerned about. But I'll give you guys a haul. Okay, this is what the jacket looked like. Guys, hold up. It might be worth it. Like, look how cute it is. This might be my next outfit for tomorrow for classes. And I was worried this one wouldn't fit, but it looks cute. Let me show you like how it looks like on me. Like, guys, $3 for all these top. Like, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. I like the black top. Hi guys, so we're gonna be heading to a little park and I'm gonna get matcha again. So excited. So this is gonna be the end of my little vlog of my solo day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, bye guys.